Hey there, welcome again to another video, and in this video I'm going to download and install SocialSnap Pro on my website. Right now I'm using Social Warfare, which had some issue in the past, and I lost all my socials here. As you can see, it's only showing 250, but actually it is more than 1000 shares. So I lost all my social accounts that day, and I never got them back as I'm using the free version, or I'm not even sure if the pro version will get it back or not. So I'm not going to purchase Social Warfare, and instead I'm going to get SocialSnap, because I have heard a lot of praises for SocialSnap. So I'm going to install SocialSnap on my website here, and I have heard that SocialSnap can also restore the social shares of Social Warfare that I have lost, or maybe at least this existing share count which I have right now. So there's nothing to worry about, and I should be able to install it without any worry. So okay, right now I'm in their website and I have this plan, 99 per year plan, and let's download the plugin. I need the social share plugin, so maybe this is the plugin file that we need to download. Let's click on that. Okay, SocialSnap Pro, I have to download it on desktop so that I can find it easily. Okay, it's done. Now let's install in my website. I'm going to the dashboard of my WordPress website. Now I have to install the plugin, so let's go to plugins. By the way, this is also an overview video of the SocialSnap Pro, and later, after using it for at least a month, I'll also do a complete review of this plugin, and I'll also compare it with Social Warfare. So stay tuned for that, and do subscribe to the channel if you want to, if you don't want to miss that video, which will be available soon. All right, I have to click on add new here. Let's upload the plugin by clicking on upload plugin here. Choose file, and I have kept it on my desktop. Here it is. Let's upload it. Click on install now. The plugin file is uploading. Okay, the plugin file is installed successfully, as you can see. Now you can click on this activate button to activate the plugin, and I have read their documentation. According to their documentation, the plugin will detect Social Warfare data automatically, and it will import all the data that Social Warfare already has, and including the settings as well, as far as I know. So we will try that. Okay, the plugin is activated, and this is the welcome page, as you can see. Now let's deactivate the Social Warfare first before importing, based on their recommendation. I guess I will disable Social Warfare first, and then I'll activate SocialSnap. I mean, import the setting. Okay, this is the Social Warfare. I'm deactivating it. The plugin is deactivated now. Let's find SocialSnap. Here it is. Let's go to settings, and there should be an option to import the data. Let's see in the documentation of again, here's the article or documentation, how to migrate from Social Warfare plugin to SocialSnap. Let's see, deactivate Social Warfare plugin. I did it. It's done. From your WordPress dashboard, SocialSnap setting advanced plugin migration. Okay, SocialSnap settings advanced plugin migration. Okay, got it. So import share counts. Okay, Social Warfare shares imported successfully. Thank you so much. Reload. Okay, now I also want to import the settings, as I don't want to go through a lot of setting changes right now. So I think it's ready to rock on my website. Let's see if it's being shown on my blog post and things like that. Okay, you can see 1K shares on the home page, which is pretty normal. But this post, I want to see if, okay, this is showing the share count of social warfare that that social warfare has or had 253. Suddenly it became 253. I think the social share recovery is doing this, and maybe it will reflect later. I don't know for sure, but maybe. So I think that's the thing that's happening right now there. And share count recovery, enable share count recovery, domain migration, no. Unaltered connection protocol, unaltered subdomain, unaltered structure, unaltered. Let's click on save changes to see if something happens after doing this. Okay, I don't think it will reflect immediately, but maybe later. So I'll also do another video on this, which I think I'll share that on the review video. This is just an installation and setup video or migration video from Social Warfare to SocialSnap Pro. This is looking way better than Social Warfare, if you can see, and I'll do a complete review later. And for now it's looking like this, and it's already live on my website. I'll just customize it and then it should look pretty perfect, and this should work way better than Social Warfare. So I'll create another review video soon, and this is it for this video, and I'll do a complete review and setup maybe in the next video. This is it for this video, and click the subscribe button to watch the upcoming videos about Social Warfare and many more other plugins and stuff. Thank you so much for watching.